Hello everyone, welcome to Eyes on the Sky. Today, we are diving deep into the world of telescope, unlocking the secret of the universe one star at a time. Let's explore the key features that make this incredible instrument the ultimate tool for celestial discoveries. In this video, we're gonna explain about the reflector telescope. Reflector telescope, also known as Newtonian telescope, are renowned for their ability to gather light efficiently, making them ideal for observing deep sky objects such as galaxies and nebulae. Unlike their reflector counterpart, reflector utilize mirror to collect and focus light, offering larger apertures at more affordable prices. First, let's get to know the main part of the reflector telescope. The heart of a reflector telescope is the optical tube assembly, OTA. It is responsible for collecting and focusing light from distant celestial objects. By directing light to a focal point, the OTA enables us to magnify the image using eyepieces, providing a clear and detailed view of the wonders of the cosmos. Then, before we observe the moon through the eyepiece, we need to make sure that the moon is located at the center of the finder scope. It is a crucial companion to the main telescope. The finder scope aids in the swiftly locating celestial bodies such as the moon, star, and planets in the night sky. By aligning objects in the finder scope with the main telescope view, stargazer can easily center and track their desired target. After we manage to align the moon with the finder scope, we begin to observe the moon through eyepiece. The eyepieces are the gateway to exploring the heavens through a reflector telescope. By changing eyepieces, observer can adjust the magnification levels, allowing for a closer look at celestial objects with varying sizes and details. Experimenting with different eyepieces enhance the viewing experience and unveil new perspectives of the cosmos.
During this observation, we are using two types of focal length. Focal length is a crucial aspect of eyepieces that determines the level of magnification when observing celestial objects. By changing the focal length, astronomers can adjust the size and detail of the image they see through the telescope. In our observation, we test eyepieces with different focal lengths to showcase the varying levels of magnification they offer. From wide-angle views to detailed close-ups, each eyepiece provides a unique perspective on the celestial wonder above. Switching to a 10mm focal length eyepiece, we delve into the realm of high magnification, zooming in on the moon individually. This eyepiece offers a closer look at smaller celestial objects, unveiling hidden features on the surface of the moon. This is the result of the moon that we managed to capture. Our exploration with a 30mm focal length eyepiece revealed a wide-field view of the night sky, capturing expansive view of the moon, stars, and constellations. This eyepiece is ideal for observing large celestial objects and panoramic vistas of the cosmos. However, in this assignment, we are focusing the moon. This is the result of the moon that we managed to capture. The last important part of this telescope is the scene-scan hand controller. The scene-scan hand controller is an optional accessory for the Skywatcher Star Discovery Wi-Fi telescope. It allows to manually control the telescope without needing a smartphone or tablet. There are a few benefits of using this, which is it is easy to control. It provides an easy way to control the telescope movement and locate objects in the sky and allow user-friendly. The buttons and screen are designed to be intuitive and straightforward, making it easy to use even for the beginner.
There are a few major things to be considered of before we're doing the observations. First, we have to find a stable, level surface away from bright lights. Then, we spread the tripod legs and ensure they are aloft in place. We secure the mount to the top of the tripod. This type of telescope can be powered up by using batteries or a power supply. Hence, it is easy to conduct. Plus, we can control it either through Wi-Fi or the controller. Setting up our telescope begins with aligning it on our equatorial mount. This ensures that as the Earth rotates, our telescope can smoothly track the Moon's movement across across the night sky. Before we observe through the main telescope, let's use the finder scope to look at the moon in the sky. The finder scope provides a wider field of view, making it easier to pinpoint celestial objects. Each team member take the opportunity to look at the moon using the finder scope. So this is how the moon looks like through the finder scope. Now let's take a closer look through the eyepiece. Behold the beauty of our celestial companion, the moon. As we observe, we notice the intricate details that define the lunar landscape. The dark, smooth lines known as Maria contrast with the rock. Bright highlines marked by countless craters formed by asteroid impacts over billions of years. We have managed to capture stunning views of the moon through our telescope's eyepiece. Let's take a closer look at the footage we recorded. As you can see, the moon reveals a wealth of details when observed through our reflector telescope. The dark, smooth plains known as Maria contrast with the rock bright highlines, offering a glimpse into the lunar landscape. The moon exhibits different phases as it orbits the Earth, revealing varying amounts of its illuminated hemisphere. This phenomenon, known as lunar phases, offers us a changing perspective of its surface features. Additionally, lunar libration, the slight rocking and tilting motions, allows us to glimpse around 59% of the moon's surface over time. For optimal viewing, choose a clear night away from city lights to minimize light pollution, and start observing with low magnification to look at the moon in your telescope field of view. Then gradually increase magnification for closer examination of specific lunar features.
But there's nothing you can tell them. This ain't a million, got another million on my schedule. No platform, nigga breaking hearts. No keys, push to start.